Wyf CaityB back in the morning with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to Poly to just nations in general. So it's Thursday and on Thursdays, Mama B, what do we do?
Throwback Thursday.
Whoa! Yeah, gotta put that button back in place because I was lit. I was litty, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, how lit was that, Mama B?
Oh, totally lit.
You mean so litty, you know what I'm saying?
Litty.
Litty. Wow. So for today, guys, we're doing Cydel, and this track is called Lovers. Cydel. Sorry, guys. You know what? I've never really heard of these guys before. I might have heard of their music. I was telling my uncle. He was just like, "How can you not know these guys?" And I was like, "How can you guys not tell me about these guys?" Like, you know what I mean? It's not my fault. It's your guys' fault. So my uncle was saying this is their most popular track that I might have heard of, or we might have heard of. Mama B's probably known of them for quite some time, but keen to check this out. But yeah. And also for today's merch, guys, you guys know with us, PolyMovement, Poly businesses. For today, we're wearing some. We're wearing Stunner No Limits. Stunner No Limits has 2 stores, one in Otahuhu and one in Otara, and they do have an online website that you guys can check out. They have a lot of different merch. This is just, you know, teeny bit of this. I have that on the back of my jumper, so yeah, I just got the small teeny version. Otara, let's go! But yeah, let's get to the track, baby. I'm on the block, baby.
Okay.
Alright. Is that what I thought it was?
You heard of this?
Yeah.
Summer jam. Come on, you know you want this. You know what I'm saying?
That's where the guy sells pork bun too.
See how far
Same people.
That's right.
Hey, oh my gosh.
Love is so special to me.
Is that where Omek was? I feel like that sign looks so familiar, but like it was around Omek or something.
I'm not sure what that's.
But it's not there anymore. Oh, my B's about to get into a groove. Sorry about you.
Love is so special to me. Keeps me warm. Not only on the outside, on the inside too. Yes,
Inside too, yeah.
it's such a great feeling. Such a great feeling, baby. To know someone cares.
Hey! You know what that is, eh, Mum? You know what that is. Isn't this the doctors? South Seas doctors? Upstairs or something? Or downstairs? Memory lane, memory
Everyone
lane.
knows South Seas Healthcare.
Yeah, everyone knows that. But does everyone know the old school one? You know what I'm saying?
Send someone you can trust and know to be right there, yeah.
Take it to the bridge, yeah.
Just once you let her go, you'll find she's a taking a part of me till she returns. Oh, baby girl, I'll be waiting right here, yeah. Oh,
Say what? Say what?
waiting right here, baby.
Come on. So please get me. That's what I'm talking about, man. Love is. Verse 2.
People may say
People may say,
Looks like me husband.
that we're too young to know the meaning of love. Love is the answer. Baby, don't you know love is the answer to right and now. Problems of today.
that's right. Love is real. Because God is love.
Yeah.
Come on.
Cause I want you to let love go. You'll find she's taking a part of me till she it to ride. Oh yeah, take it to the bridge. Cause once you let her go, you'll find that she's taking a part of me till she returns. Till she returns, I'll be waiting right here.
Love is good. Say what? Say what?
Waiting right here. Waiting right here. All night long.
That's right.
All night long.
4 words familiar in the world today. Only love can conquer hate. Come on. Groove house.
And these guys were.
We out.
Good guy. These are Cydel, these two. I see.
Man, whoo-wee. Damn, the fact that these guys were, you know, pushing out, you know, end of racism and stuff like that back then, like, damn.
Our generation wasn't just sitting in a
Yeah.
Pandora's box.
But like
Yeah.
when we look at old school clips, we never see, you know, stop abuse and, you know, stop racism. Oh man. Oh, actually, I almost got a bit teary at the end.
Very nice, eh?
Damn. Man, this track, I've only heard like bits and pieces of it. Like the beginning sounds familiar, but never the whole thing. Like from what I remember, like,
It's been
man.
a long time.
Yeah, I can't believe I've missed out on them and all these years, you know what I mean? But mad love to this. This got me a bit teary-eyed. It was nice seeing a bit of old Otara compared to now. There's still some bits that look the same.
Yeah, no doubt.
So we had thanks to Uncle Toe for informing us. So Cydel is like a combination of both of their names. So Cydel is Neil aka Cybele, and also David Leto aka D, and that's where the name Cydel comes from. But yeah, man, this feels like a good throwback of old Otara. You know, this is the kind of music that I'd love to hear. Like I love that groovy type of soul type of vibe of music. So this is another Otara type of feel kind of vibe.
It was quite a bit of everything that came out of Otara.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I guess you have to move out of Otara to realise and to be grateful for
Where you've come
where
from.
you come from.
Yeah.
Like even like with the merch, well, man, like we miss home like bad.
Like yeah. Like
But
oh man.
just hearing these songs, and I'm so grateful that on this platform of my daughters that we're able to showcase stuff that's come out of Otara.
100%. Like another thing, like I always think about, because I miss Otara so much, I always think if we ever make it big and we make up enough money, I would love to retire in Otara. That's how much, you know, Otara means to me and us. Yeah. Mad love to these guys. I hope these guys are doing well now. And we'll have their socials in there if we can find them in the description box below. Check out their other music. Show them
in
some
Brisbane.
love. Yeah. Cool. Check it out. Show them some love and positivity, and yeah. Other than that, PolyMovement, Poly Businesses again. Please don't forget to get your merch from Stunner No Limits. They're not only limited to Otara gear, they do have a lot of other stuff that you guys can check out on their website or in store. We'll have in the description box. Yeah, and subscribe to their channel as well and check it. Yeah.
Also, don't forget, fams, that we have the 10k Poly Business giveaway, which ends this coming Saturday at 12 noon.
Other than that, fams, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.